In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write content for an Amazon listing using Wrike. If you're new to the world of e-commerce or simply looking to optimize your product descriptions, you'll find this guide especially helpful. So let's get started. First, navigate to your Wrike workspace and locate the appropriate project folder. This is where you'll be organizing your content for the Amazon listing. Having a dedicated space for your project not only keeps things tidy, but also ensures that you can easily track your progress. Once you've accessed the project folder, it's time to create a project name that corresponds to your Amazon listing. The project name should be descriptive enough to instantly tell you what the listing is about. For example, if you're listing a set of wireless earbuds, consider naming the project something simple yet informative, like Wireless Earbuds Launch. After setting up the project name, move over to the taskbar within your project space. Here you'll want to specify the name of the product. Inputting the product name helps in maintaining clarity and focus for anybody involved in the project. So type in the product name, such as earbuds, and move to the next step. Now that you have the basic structure in place, let's work on crafting the product description. The description is your opportunity to really shine and attract potential buyers. It should be detailed and informative and highlight the key features and benefits of your product. Spend time here to ensure your description is compelling, clear, and aligned with your brand's voice. To further aid your workflow and ensure nothing is forgotten, go ahead and add a checklist to your task. A checklist in Wrike acts as a reminder of all the elements you need to include in the product listing. This could include the primary product benefits, technical specifications, and any customer reviews or testimonials you want to highlight. By checking off each item as you go, you are less likely to miss crucial content. The final step involves assigning tasks and setting deadlines for yourself or your team. Be deliberate about who is responsible for each task and the timelines to ensure everything gets done promptly. Setting deadlines in Wrike not only helps in scheduling, but also in keeping the project moving toward completion. And there you have it. You're ready to write content for your Amazon listing seamlessly using Wrike. By following these steps, you maintain organization and clarity throughout the process, ensuring that your product stands out to potential buyers. Happy listing, and remember, thorough preparation is key to success in the competitive world of e-commerce.